Blue Stars offers a comprehensive range of commercial refrigeration products from a bottled water dispenser, water cooler, deep freezers, specialty refrigeration equipment for storage of vaccines, pharmaceutical products, or for commercial kitchen related preservation equipment. Today, we are launching a wide range of deep freezers. These are energy efficient. This also holds higher capacity and more energy conserving technologies are deployed here. So we are also showcasing the inverter technology being deployed in commercial refrigeration equipment. We are in the entire value chain of commercial refrigeration, save the transportation. So we are even into ice cube making machines. We provide a comprehensive range of healthcare refrigeration. So when you walk into a commercial kitchen, we do have products meant for commercial kitchen as well. We are also a significant player in the VC coolers market, where you display the beverages for selling in a commercial entity. The important thing is we have been investing in manufacturing these products in India. So a new factory which can produce 2 lakh numbers of deep freezers was commissioned in Wada, Maharashtra about 8 months ago. And we are planning to manufacture even sub 300 liter or small size deep freezers out there. Our products are also sustainable in nature, in line with whatever is the regulations pertaining to refrigeration and including blowing agents or insulation that are used. Be it a fruit or a vegetable, or it is aquaculture, or it is poultry, any product you name it, we have the know-how to extend the life of the same. So we play an active role in food preservation and the extension of life of perishables, therefore helping the country as well as the world in food security aspects. Thank you.